I want to share with you about an event that happened in 1988 in a country called Armenia. But the city was built in an old building style. More specifically Spitak, that town, and close to it is a town called Gyumri. That morning, 7th December 1988, life went on as normal. This father drove his young son to school and dropped his son off and went off to work. At about 11 o'clock that morning, a massive earthquake ripped through that area. The area of Spitak and Gyumri recorded an earthquake that was recorded on the Richter scale up to 6.9. For those of you that know or maybe don't know, that 6.9 falls into the severe category where there's utter devastation. Buildings fell down. They just collapsed. Houses were folded in like matchsticks. And if you go look on the internet on this event, you'll see loads of photos of what happened during that morning. For this father, obviously his first instinct after everything stopped shaking around was to rush to the school to see. And when he got there, the school was flattened. It was just a huge rubble site.